Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Sumoria Scrubber and answering the big question, is it legit or is it just another overhyped online product? Electric spin scrubbers are becoming very popular because they promise easier cleaning without bending down or scrubbing for hours. But before you spend your money, let's take a closer look at what's being claimed and what you should watch out for. According to the website, this scrubber features a 400 RPM powerful motor and a 50-inch adjustable handle designed to help you clean floors, walls, tiles, tubs, and even ceilings without straining your back. It also claims to include 8 different brush heads for different cleaning tasks. The product is rechargeable and uses a universal USB-C charging port, which sounds convenient. The marketing promises 300 plus RPM power with 360-degree spin action to remove stubborn grime quickly, all while saving your knees and back from pain. On the surface, it sounds like a helpful and time-saving cleaning tool. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about some important concerns. First, there's a name inconsistency that raises questions. The URL mentions Ortho Scrub Pro, but the actual product displayed on the site is called Scrub Force Pro Spin Scrubber. When product names don't clearly match, it can sometimes indicate rebranded generic items being sold under different names. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does suggest possible drop shipping. Another red flag is the massive number of reviews shown directly on the product page. The site may claim tens of thousands of satisfied customers, yet there's little strong presence of independent reviews on trusted third-party platforms. When a website claims huge popularity but lacks outside verification, that's something buyers should question. The heavy use of discount tactics is also worth noting. Large percentage discounts and limited-time offers are commonly displayed. If a product is always 50 to 70% off, the original price may have been inflated to make the deal look more attractive than it really is. There's also the possibility that this scrubber is a generic product sourced from wholesale platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress and simply rebranded. Similar electric spin scrubbers are widely available online at lower prices, which suggests this may not be a unique or premium item despite the marketing. Company transparency is another concern. If the website does not clearly provide verifiable business information, a physical address, or strong customer support details, that increases risk for buyers. Established brands usually provide clear and traceable company information. The marketing focuses heavily on bold claims like effortless deep cleaning and powerful motor, but there's little technical proof, durability testing, or long-term performance data provided. There's also no strong brand history or reputation shown. Shipping times and return policies may be unclear as well. Many drop-shipping style stores have longer shipping delays and complicated refund processes, so reading the fine print is very important. So, is the Sumoria Scrubber legit or a scam? It appears to be a heavily marketed product that may be rebranded rather than a well-established brand. It might work, but buyers should compare prices, research independent reviews, and proceed carefully before purchasing.